Supply company video update for January 2018. Our Landscape Products Group is all about educational opportunities as we start 2018. Numerous Turf Equipment University events are planned in the coming months, including electrical troubleshooting, irrigation design and installation, drip irrigation and landscape lighting taught completely in Spanish, as well as synthetic turf seminars and Toro Sentinel workshops. More information and registration coming soon on the Events tab on our website. The Golf Irrigation Group is also planning a very unique training session focused on golf course irrigation technicians. Do you have anyone on your staff that would benefit from information on troubleshooting controllers, tracking wires, or repairing broken lateral or main lines? Then this class is for them. We will hold 4 identical sessions on March 19th through the 22nd at our facilities in Jessup and Westchester, and at locations in Fairfax, Virginia and Berlin, Maryland. Mark your calendars now and watch our website for registration information. Your profits depend on keeping your equipment running at peak performance. So have you thought about having your Finn bark blower serviced? Don't wait for the rush in the spring to send in your unit for annual winter service and for the airlock check. Our service locations stock all the necessary Finn manufactured parts to repair any machine. Call our service department today to schedule your Finn service. Our winter service promotions are in full swing for all your other commercial equipment needs as well. Have our factory-trained and certified technicians service all your Toro equipment this winter so they are ready to go in the spring. We have service facilities conveniently located in both Jessup, Maryland and Westchester, Pennsylvania. Call us today to arrange pickup and delivery of your equipment. The 2018 Maintenance Part Sale is well underway. The annual sale provides you with all the genuine Toro parts and accessories you need to maintain your Toro equipment and keep it operating at its full potential. Order $3,000 worth of Toro Performance parts from November 1st, 2017 through April 30th, 2018 and receive your choice of either jackets or hoodies. Cumulative orders of $3,000 receive additional wearables. Call us today to place your order. The commercial equipment team is looking forward to seeing you in a couple weeks at the GIS show in San Antonio, Texas. We are excited to show you some of the new products and innovations the Toro Company has planned for 2018. Make sure you let us show you the new Outcross 9060 unit and the new MyTurf Pro. See you on the trade show floor. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for January 2018. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.